Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well and enjoying this beautiful summer. So do you see a new beautiful air fryer in our kitchen today? Yes, it's new, it's nice, it's big, it's beautiful. So this is nothing but a Joyouce air fryer, and you can see it's so lightweight. I mean, I can just lift it. It has nice notches here. And it came with a nice pizza plate. My old air fryer did not have these attachments, so I am really glad. It came with a nice basket, and none of the air fryers I have this, and it's a nice trivet. It's beautiful, nice trivet to keep hot pots on it. And apart from those small attachments, of course, this is the actual big air fryer. And can you see it's such a big, basket. The perfect part is you just click here and lift it, and both these attachments are dishwasher safe. Again, you just push it and it snaps over. So now you can see that all the display is off, and only when I slide this basket in and the basket snaps in, that's the time this display is going to lit up. Right now you can see that it is not snapped in, so I'm just going to push. There is a push button here, and it has snapped in, and now the display is turned on. The best part about this air fryer, I feel, is the display is really user friendly. They have thought a lot while making it. If I click the menu, you can see that the French fries are like popping up. I change it. It goes to, I think, broccoli, chicken, fish, steak, cake, bacon. And now this is plus and minus for the temperature, and it's just clicking like on and off. Preheat. Since we want to make the French fries today, so that French fry is popping up. I'm going to hit on, and it is going to preheat for 10 minutes because that's what we want to do. We want to preheat our air fryer for 10 minutes for our French fries. So while our air fryer is preheating to 10 minutes, what we are going to see is we are going to see the ingredients to make our favorite Masala Maggi French fries. This is a very versatile dish, and you can add any masalas. You can add, pick and choose any masalas to it. For this, what you are going to need is, of course, the Masala Maggi packet. I'm going to use the full packet of it. This is black pepper powder, cumin powder, 3 tablespoons of oil. This is paprika, or you can use red chili powder. This is chaat masala, salt to taste, and 2 small potatoes. I would say 2 medium-sized potatoes. They are washed and I have dried it. So let's get started. So we are going to cut it in strips. I have not taken out the skin. Skin is very nutritious, so I'm just going to cut it like this. You see? We are going to soak it in water for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll come back in another 15 minutes. So I've strained it, and we're going to put it on paper towel. We need like nice dry potatoes, and just going to dry every potato so there is less moisture in the air fryer while the fries are baking. Now one by one, let's add all the spices in these potato fries. Let's start with our main ingredient, that is masala from Maggi noodles. I'm adding the full packet. Salt to taste. Chaat masala, it's around a teaspoon. Cumin powder, half a teaspoon. Paprika, half a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of oil. I'm going to keep some oil aside for our air fryer basket, and I'm going to just coat all these masalas to this potato. So every little fry is coated with this magical masala. These fries may not look like the fries which you get in your fast food restaurant, but trust me, they are going to taste awesome. Now we have come back to our beautiful Joyouce air fryer, and let's open the basket. So let's open the basket. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to just brush some oil. I was told in my previous videos that spraying with the aerosol can may disturb or may harm the air fryer, so I've started just brushing the oil. Let's put the fries in here. And I'm going to spread them equally and evenly. The aroma is so good already. I can't wait to try this. So as soon as I press the basket, it goes to 300 Fahrenheit. So I'm going to change temperature to 380 Fahrenheit and menu. So the menu, we have to go to the French fries. Okay, 380 Fahrenheit, and the time is, we want 20 minutes, and start. So the air fryer is set to 20 minutes. In 10 minutes I'm going to just take it out, give a good shake and put it back. So after 10 minutes I'm just going to take it out. Ooh, do you see them? Just going to, oh my god, I wish you all were here. The aroma is so good. And let's keep it back for another 10 minutes. So instead of 20 minutes, after 18 minutes, I just checked and I know that they are done now. So I'm just not going to wait for another 2 minutes, and I'm going to take them out. They are so nice, dry, crispy. Okay, so here we go. Wow, so can you believe these are just in like couple of tablespoons of oil and they are ready to go. So this is nothing but like mayonnaise, and I just added our Maggi hot and sweet tomato sauce which we get in Indian grocery store, and it's just a simple dip, just mayonnaise and this tomato sauce. That's about it. And let's go for taste test. Nice and crunchy. No one can eat just one. Thanks for watching. Happy cooking. Bye bye.